The eufy X10 Pro Omni Vacuum stands out with its all-in-one station that automatically washes and dries the mop pads, providing hands-free cleaning convenience. Boasting an impressive 8,000 pascals of suction power, this robot vacuum ensures a deep clean by effortlessly picking up hidden debris and pet hair from carpets. The MopMaster 2.0 feature enhances cleaning efficiency with dual mop pads that rotate 180 times per minute and apply 1 kilogram of pressure to tackle stubborn stains. Equipped with advanced AI obstacle avoidance, the X10 Pro Omni intelligently identifies and navigates around over 100 potential obstacles, even in low-light conditions. The innovative auto-detangling roller brush design prevents hair from wrapping around the brush, making maintenance hassle-free. Its iPath laser navigation creates precise cleaning routes, ensuring comprehensive coverage of your home with customizable cleaning scenarios via the AI Map 3.